Tonight, we will have dinner at a restaurant.
Please walk slowly.
Let's see what we can order from the menu.
Wow, so many tasty foods. Oh, the table is moving a little.
Whoa, what is happening?
Ah.
We want soup and fish, please.
Huh?
Look, my tongue is out.
Ha! You are so silly, Luna.
Oops, the menu fell down.
Be careful, Luna. Sit properly at the table.
Run, Lily! You can't catch me!
I'm coming for you, Luna.
Stop running in the restaurant!
Luna, Lily, please calm down and sit properly. Enjoy your meal, girls. Eat slowly and nicely.
Yay! This soup looks so tasty. Oh no! I cannot open it!
Don't worry, Luna. I'll help you.
Haha! This lobster is too tricky.
Here, Luna. Let me help you with the claw.
Thank you, Dad. I was struggling.
Please, be quiet. I am trying to work here.
I am very sorry for the noise, sir.
It's okay.
Enjoy your meal, girls.
Yay! I want the strawberry scoop.
No,
I want it too.
let's share.
This ice cream is so yummy. Yes, sharing is much more fun. Oh no! My ice cream fell down! Whoa, oh no! No!
Oh no, my dress is dirty. This is so bad.
I am very sorry about this, ma'am.
Please control your children.
You will pay for all the food that fell. I understand. Please calm down.
Oh no, this bill is huge.
Now listen carefully.
Yes, pay attention to what we say.
Rule number 1. Do not run in the restaurant.
Rule number 2. Do not be noisy in public. People get disturbed. Rule number 3. You should share the food with each other.
Rule number 4. Be polite to everyone and listen to mom and dad.
We are sorry. We will be good from now. We are sorry.
No problem. Everything is fine.
We are sorry for making a mess.
Yes, we are really sorry.
I will cut down your bill to half. The kids have apologized.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Yay! We are happy now.
Yes, everything is fine.
Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.